The last thing I picked up in, a couple of things. The next thing I suppose I picked up in the Toys Fair are these nanodots, and these are pretty cool. I know you guys have seen these before. They're just the magnetic things. I don't know what you call them. Magnetic balls, BB balls, whatever they're called. On the top is what you can do with them. I don't know how they come out of the tube. I'll probably destroy the tube. I see there's supposed to be a... Yeah, forget it. Anyway, they are whatchamacallits, magnetic balls, and they're those super strong rare earth magnets, whatever they are. This set is 125 magnets, 125 gold pieces. It's a special edition, gold edition. Okay. I'm not sure what the size of these are. I can't get the silly little thing out of there. Anyway, NDFEB magnets, whatever that means. Okay. I also have another set of silver ones somewhere in the house that I received from another company. These seem to be a little bit stronger than the other ones. These are from Nanomagnetics in the U.S., Wilmington, Delaware. It's the company that produces them. It was actually a Canadian company that was selling them at the Toy Fair. And they're a little bit smaller. They're gold. They look like they could be fun. 125 blocks in a cube. So, nanodots. Fun.